ready for the slayage, honey. Welcome to Tianna Blancoo. And I'm going to show you how I created this unit. Well, how I customized my unit. So right now I'm using the Revlon blow dryer. It's like a paddle brush, but it definitely is a blow dryer. From a 1 through 10, I'm going to give it an 8 because I love the way it leaves the hair like nice and silky. However, it just doesn't get to the roots. So now I'm using my little cheapo blow dryer to get to the roots, just to let it get it more dry. So as you can see, this hair is cut into like a nice bob cut, and I'm taking my slick stick, of course by me. Now this is gonna help with that sleek, smooth finish. So as you can see, I am going to push it up like a push pop, and then next you're going to place it onto your roots. Now this will help mold and shape that hair. So yeah, you want to place it onto the roots. You can use a hard brush, or what I am going to do is apply some heat with it. Now the slick stick and heat is like peanut butter with jelly. They just work well together, okay? It's the perfect combo. So I'm going to take my flat iron and I'm just gonna flatten out this hair because I want it to be nice and straight, being that it is a bob. And yep, that's what we got going on. And for the month of March, I have all my bobs for $300, guys. So take advantage of that sale. It will be listed in the bio, in my description. Not my bio. It will be listed in the description box. Now I'm taking this pressing comb. And yeah, we're just going to now moisturize. We're going to moisturize our scalp and then place on a wig. You don't want no dry hair under a wig, okay? So you want to moisturize it. That is the key to helping your hair grow and to prevent it from any hair breakage. So once the unit is placed on, honey, it's time to get to this makeup. Now this unit is glueless. I'm not putting any glue, no adhesive. I just put it on and go. For the eyeshadow, for the palette today, we are using Makeup Revolution, and I'm gonna leave it down below which palette I am using. These colors are really vibrant. I love the colors in this palette. I just wish it had a little bit more darker tones in it. But yeah, I'm going to use like a peach kind of base color, and then we are going to smoke it out. And as you can see, I'm more focused on the outer than the inner, because I just want this to be more of the transition, the blending color. You don't want your smoky eyes to just be just smoked out with just jet black. You kind of want to start off with a nice base. Now you guys are going to kill me when I really wanted to kill the shit out of my camera because it ran out of storage without telling me. So I've been recording and recording. But I'm going to tell you, I used a Morphe black eyeshadow and I just placed it on top of that peach shadow. Oh, I was so mad when I'm editing this video. But now I'm taking a makeup wipe to clean off any of that makeup that may have laid under the eyes, on my cheekbones. And then you want to moisturize your face with a good primer. Because we want our makeup to last and we want our skin to be like perfect underneath this foundation and concealers. So for foundation today, I am using my Anastasia foundation stick. I haven't used this in a long time, but this is the Chestnut, and you're just going to place it on your face. As you can see, this color blends in with my skin tone really well. And this foundation is $25. Like, guys, $25, especially from Anastasia. Great quality. This is one of my foundations that I like to pack with me if I'm traveling because it's very compatible and it's just really cool. Okay. So I'm blending this out with my $3 e.l.f. brush. Y'all, listen, I don't play when it comes to e.l.f. They brushes is the shit. You could go to Target, you can go to e.l.f. store, you can find them in Marshalls. Listen, there are no excuses. e.l.f. has some great quality brushes, especially face brushes. So you just want to continue to blend on that foundation, blend it out. And also, if you're wearing a wig like me, you kind of want to move back that head tie so that you don't see that demarcation line. Yep, so we're just going to push it on back and now keep blending, okay? So this is why I kind of like to do my wig first and then I put on the makeup. I'm actually looking for a new foundation. So guys, if you have any recommendations on a bomb-ass foundation, list it below. I like comments, okay? I read comments. I respond to comments. So don't be scared to comment. And then I'm placing on my $2.99 eyelashes I got from the beauty supply store. Listen, a lot of these things I get from the beauty supply store. Just like this LA Pro Girl concealer. One of my favorite concealers ever because it's so creamy. It's really like just rich in color. And I fucks with it, okay? So, you could get those for actually like $2.99, $3.99, $4.99 from your beauty supply store, depending on where you're at. And then I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick for my contour. I just used it in a darker color. And now you just want to blend, blend, blend. Everything is all about blending it on out, okay? You just want to continue to blend it on out. I know you guys are looking like, whoa, that is way too light. That is not going to blend well. Honey, you are talking to the blending beast. I am going to make sure this shit blends and blends and blends. Now, I did go ahead and use that lighter concealer shade, but I made it work, okay? Because I like to play around with different shades. Then I'm using my Laura Mercier powder. Listen, this is my favorite part. The baking part just brings together your makeup. If you do not bake, no, no, no. We're not even gonna say that. You must bake, okay? So if you don't bake, you're going to bake, okay? We have to. Bacon just brings, oh my God, just gives it that nice flawless finish. And of course, you gotta outline them lips, honey. I like to use any little cheapo NYX beauty supply store lip liners, eyeliners. I just like any dark browns. And I'm gonna use my Fenty red lipstick. And this is my favorite combo. You can use even like a dark black liner for this. And it still gives it that nice ombre effect. And I just love it because it's super matte and it's super vibrant, super pigmented, just very nice overall. Whenever I do like dark eyeshadows, especially like this color eyeshadow, I kind of like to mix it with a red lip or maybe a nice pinky soft lip. Those are my two go-tos for this color eyeshadow. And boom, this look is finished, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys. Thank you. And stay safe out here with this virus going on, guys. Stay safe. Social distancing.